I really want you to look at these welds too. This gentleman who's putting together these pipes, he came from IndyCar technology for HPI. We have something very special for you. I want to introduce you to my friends, one of the leaders in V-twin injection, HPI Horsepower Inc. This company burst on the scene at the Brute Horsepower Shootout at Daytona Beach in 2003 and has been a force ever since. Well, I know it's a big race when my good friend Mary Jo from Horsepower Inc. HPI is here. How are you, Mary?
I'm good. How are you?
I love it. The sun's out. It's a beautiful day. We want to show people some of the amazing products you have available. And I want to let you know HPI was the first company to manufacture a big bore stock replacement throttle body and intake manifold for the Harley Davidson. Well, what are we looking at here?
So we've got an assortment of our throttle bodies and intake manifolds. We've got everything from Magneti Morelli on up through Milwaukee 8 covered. This is our newest 70mm throttle body that just came hot off the machine, and the CNC ported intake to go with it.
That's gorgeous.
So we've got you. We originally started out with just throttle bodies and intake manifolds. We now have air cleaners, injectors, anything performance related for Harley Davidson fuel injected motorcycles. We've pretty much got you covered.
You guys do some amazing work. Where are you out of?
So we manufacture in Erie, Pennsylvania. Our distribution is on Gasoline Alley in Indianapolis. We have a great location there. We do dyno tunes, engine builds, just about anything that you could ask for there.
And you're heavily involved in racing, aren't you?
Oh yeah, we love it. We not only sponsor Hogs Gone Wild, we sponsor AMRA, AHDRA. Eric here at Horsepower, he races in the dresser class, and we just try and do anything we can to promote the industry.
For anybody out there that has a V-twin, what are some of the benefits you think your company can offer?
Oh, quality. Yeah, we pride ourselves on made in USA parts. We use all US materials, components, everything is made in the USA. I think quality is our #1 advantage over everybody.
And not only that, how much of a performance increase are we looking at? I mean, you're putting smiles.
Lots. Yeah, a lot. So depending on, what your application is. Stock, you might pick up, an air cleaner and pick up 5-10 horse. You might pick up one of our custom exhausts here that are literally one of the most custom hand-welded exhausts that best exhaust you're gonna find out there. Depending on what you've done to your engine build, your throttle body, intake manifold, you're gonna pick up a lot, so.
Well, this is some amazing stuff. Everybody needs to check this out. Where can people find you online?
Well, check us out at horsepowerinc.net. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, yeah, just about anywhere, horsepowerinc.net.
Thank you for everything you do, and more than anything, thank you for making all these V-twin guys and gals much faster.
Oh, you're welcome. We love to do that.
This fine company also supports racing. They are a proud sponsor of Hogs Gone Wild, AMRA, and AHDRA.
Once again, street class for tech.
So this is one of our newest products. We did a forward-facing throttle body for M8 motorcycles. We have various sizes from stock on up to our 70mm. This was a great increase in power, horsepower and torque, just bolting that on, no other modifications other than just our elbow. So check that one out too. It's really new. I think it's on the website. If not, give Horsepower Inc. a call in Indianapolis.
So if you're looking for more power out of your Harley Davidson, make sure you check out horsepowerinc.net or check them out on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Look at that pipe. Wow.
Now that's a gorgeous exhaust system.
Isn't that? We have one of the best welders in the country, hands down, welding our exhaust. Our lead times are a little far out, but it's custom made. You get what you pay for, and everyone seems to love it. So it's a good upgrade.
Mary Jo, that's a cool plate. I like it.
Plate? Check out the sticker Eric's putting on too.
HPI, #1. Thanks so much, guys. Have a safe trip back.
Horsepower Inc., check them out. And for more high-performance motorcycle action, make sure you're subscribed to Cycle Drag on YouTube and you like CycleDrag.com on Facebook, and we'll keep it coming.